Good evening, everyone. Our top story tonight at 6 o'clock. Less than a month after an unarmed black teenager killed by a white police officer in Ferguson, Missouri, police officers there now equipped with body cameras.
Springfield Mayor Mike Houston says that he wants police officers here to wear them too, saying that it could help with race relations within the city. But it's a financial undertaking.
Houston says he'd like to set aside up to $200,000 in next year's budget to make that happen. ABC News Channel 20's Lindsay Hess live at the Springfield Police Department with tonight's top story. Lindsay.
Here at the Springfield Police Department, there are around 175 uniformed officers. And by next year, if council signs off and the dollars add up, they could all have cameras clipped to their uniforms. As of right now, the DeWitt County Sheriff's deputies and correctional officers are the only ones in Central Illinois using body cameras. But Mayor Mike Houston is hoping Springfield Police will be next. A bulletproof vest protects a police officer in case he's shot. And now wearable cameras are protecting some police officers around the nation from false allegations.
It doesn't become a matter of someone said this or someone did this. It is a matter that you've got a recording. Thereby, I think both parties are more cognizant of their behavior, their language.
Springfield Mayor Mike Houston is hoping within the next year, all patrol officers will be equipped with body cameras, reducing the risk of litigation.
All we have to do is have one lawsuit, and if we can avoid that one lawsuit, we've more than covered the cost of those cameras, much less getting into the time that would be involved in investigations, officers' time.
Teresa Haley, president of the Springfield NAACP, says she believes body cameras would also cut down on racial profiling, a common complaint reported to her organization.
Abuse, driving while black, being arrested, being beat down by a police officer.
The city estimates each body camera will cost almost $1,200. Multiply that by 175 uniformed officers, and you have a total of around $205,000. If the city council votes to move forward with the cameras, they will be paid by you, the taxpayer. Springfield Police Chief Kenny Winslow says he believes it's worth the investment.
It's new technology, and we have to embrace it. And what better way to get the story than to see it firsthand and see it from the eyes of an officer.
Mayor Houston says the budgeting process will begin in December. The police department has already contacted several other law enforcement agencies who already use the body cameras in hopes of getting the ball rolling. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Hess, ABC News Channel 20.